Introducing the future of home security. The digital door lock by digital traders. Unlock convenience and peace of mind with the touch of a button. Gone are the days of fumbling for keys or worrying about lost copies. With the secure home digital door lock, your home is always accessible, just like magic. Whether you're a busy professional or a parent on the go, Secure Home makes every entry seamless and secure. And with our user-friendly app, you can manage access from anywhere. Grant temporary access to guests or service providers with ease. And rest easy, knowing your home is always locked when you want it to be. Secure Home's cutting-edge security features keep intruders out, protecting your loved ones and your peace of mind. I love how Secure Home makes my life easier and my family safer. Upgrade your home with the future of security. Choose Secure Home, where convenience meets peace of mind.
Unlock limitless possibilities with digital traders for inquiries, orders, and to explore a world of digital innovation. Don't miss out on this opportunity to embrace the digital future. Reach out to us today.